In this job, we will move a 600-pound gun safe from a house to a storage facility unit. After packing the safe, we attach our moving tools and take the safe to our truck. This is a very old house, so we wheel the safe carefully to avoid any damage to the flooring. The safe will be winched inside of the truck and tied down safely. The customer also asked to include a washer and a dryer in the haul. We will now wrap the washer and dryer with paper pad and cardboard. At the storage, we start our unloading procedure. First, we unload the washer and dryer and then the gun safe. There is a lot of stuff inside the storage unit, so we have to do some rearrangements. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. God bless America.